Good morning. Today's session we are going to discuss about software evaluation engineering. Computers are classified into three categories. One is hardware, second one is software, and the next one is firmware. Hardware deals with the physical components of the computers. Software is a program written in an order to achieve some task. Firmware, software written in hardware. Example is BIOS chip, basic input output system. Software types: system software, application software, utility software. In system software, we can see the operating systems, languages, system files, com.sys, ms.sys, io.sys. Application software, RDBMS, Lotus Notes, IMS, VB, Tandem. Utility software, packages like MS Office. Operating system, software program designed to act as an interface between user and computer. Single user environment, disk operating system, DOS. Multi environment, it is Unix. Application software, relational database management system, Oracle. Communication software, Lotus Notes. Mainframes, IMS Tandem, and Microsoft frontend is VB. Utility software, we started up with word processing. WordStar was existing in old days. Nowadays, we are using MS Office, MS Word. Spreadsheet, it is Lotus 123 was using before. Now it is MS Excel. Presentation software, MS PowerPoint. Computing models, mainframes are mini computers. PC disconnected PC model. The network file server model, client server computing model. Mainframes, mini computers. Advantages: data is centralized, resources are shared. Disadvantage: it is costly. If server fails, all terminals are down. Server is kept in the center. All terminals are dummy terminals. One monitor and keyboard will be existing in each terminal. In PC disconnected model, as per the taste of the user, CPU, monitor, keyboard is designed and kept, and they'll be using it as per the taste of the user. Hardware can be set up. Disadvantage: data is not centralized in this model. File server model, all the files are kept in the file server, and data is centralized. Resources are shared through printer, and we have terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. Each terminal is having a monitor, keyboard, and CPU. So that suppose terminal 1 is using file 1 and terminal 2 is using file 2, and when end terminal wants to use file 1, it has been put up in the wait state. So here data is centralized, resources are shared, files are getting locked, and until a particular terminal releases, next terminal cannot be used. Client server model, backend server is kept in the center, and we have monitor, keyboard, and CPU. We are calling it as client, C1, C2, C3, like that till Cn. Advantage: data is centralized, resources can be shared, files are not locked because sorry, here it is using the table concept. Disadvantage: challenges in maintaining hardware and software. Software development lifecycle: planning, analysis, design, development, testing, and deployment and maintenance. Okay, now why I have put this video for you people. In future, you all must be in the position to get into IT. For that purpose, three things you should remember in your mind. One is you should learn one operating system. See, for example, you can learn Unix. One database, for example, you can learn Oracle. One language, that is Java, you can learn. I'll put sequence of videos. You people can make use of that and get a job in the IT industry. Thank you.